technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat note today and continued to drift lower throughout the day. The selling pressure from yesterday continued even today, and the Nifty closed with a negative of 97 points in today's trading session. The market breadth was also negative with 358 advances to 1169 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ONGC, L&T, Tata Motors, ITC, Bharti, Tata Steel were some of the big losers in today's trading session. On the other side, M&M, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Ranbaxy, HCL Tech were some of the handful number of stocks which managed to close in the positive today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has been continuously falling from the high of 8626, and today was the third consecutive day when the Nifty has closed in the negative. Considering the sharpness of the fall which the Nifty has seen since past 3 trading sessions, our sense is that we might just see a bounce back in the coming trading sessions. However, if we don't get that bounce back, then the next crucial support comes to around that is around 83.15, where the 40-day exponential moving average is placed, and below that 82.80, which is the 38.8 to 38.2% retracement level of the rise from 7723 up till the high of 8626. So the Nifty is nearing crucial supports which is placed at 40-day exponential moving average and the 38.2% retracement level. So for traders who are not still short and want to go short, then the strategy for them would be to sell on rise near resistance. Resistance is placed at 84.67 and 84.78, where the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages are placed. So in the coming trading sessions, if we get a bounce of this last 3 days fall which we are witnessing in the Nifty, then that should terminate around 84.67, 84.78 odd levels, and that should be a good opportunity to go short again. So the strategy to trade in Nifty should be to sell on rise near resistance, and below that crucial supports for Nifty or the target for Nifty on the downside is placed at 83.15 and 82.80 on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the fall has been quite vertical and sharp in nature. It has reached the previous swing lows around 83.50 or odd levels. Today it breached below that 83.30 around was today's low. Now that calls in for some amount of bounce back. Since past 3 trading sessions we have been seeing this sharp fall. So if we get a bounce back, then traders should go short on rises. So that should be the strategy for trading in Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Crucial supports are placed at 82.80, which is our short-term target. If the Nifty slips even below that, then the next target comes to around is 8200, where we have a gap area. So that should act as a crucial support for the Nifty. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 8467 and 8478, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed decisively below this upward sloping support trend line. In the last trading session, it had closed exactly at the support. However, in today's trading session, it opened below that and continued to drift lower and decisively ending the day low, closing below this support trend line. So the trend in Bank Nifty and the Bank Nifty stocks should also be down. Strategy to play should be sell on rise near resistance. On the downside, crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 18,100 and below that 17,890. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 18,450 and 18,600. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Any bounce if we get on the Nifty or Bank Nifty should be sold into possible on these downside. Targets are placed at 82.80 on the downside for Nifty. That's all for the day. Thank you.